Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders. I am back, and before we get started, let me just say, the internet can sometimes be a very tough place to live, especially when one is dispensing buy and sell signals in such volatile markets as NASDAQ, gold, Tesla, as we do here at the OMNI Trading Academy. And that, from time to time, brings out those internet muscles. And let me just say this. I just want to thank all of you for the outpouring of love. Your comments on YouTube, would we have Twitter comments, Facebook comments, stock twits, emails came in, Instagram comments. I can't tell you, cards, oh my God. Bob, thank you so much. I just don't know what else to say. The outpouring of love from you characters, I cannot tell you. Not a single person had anything bad to say while I was back east, burying my dad, saying goodbye to him. So I thank you all so much for your comments and your outpouring of love. I read so many of your comments to my dad while I was there, and it really helped me get through a very difficult time. I mean, thank you for helping me get through that. But now it is time for me to get back to work, right? So that I must do. Traders, thank you for tuning in to this video. This is video number 2282 coming at you on a Monday night for trading, Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. Before we cover the topics on the board, please know this is a very risky game. Put those stops in first. Never trade without them. If you trade options or futures, you can certainly lose more than you have in your trading accounts. You need to know that, and most of you do. But once again, just thank you from my heart for being there when I needed you. Thank you. All right, so double tops and the Dow Jones. OMNI is taking a one-day reprieve. OMNI is taking Monday night through Tuesday off, and I will show you why in just a moment. Bitcoin, 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 yay, Bitcoin, yay. I'm likely going to get the unwelcomed opportunity to dollar cost average more Bitcoin. As you know, I'm actually welcoming a dollar cost averaging opportunity because I plan on buying long-term for Bitcoin. At the same time, it's unwelcome because I'm pretty long anyway, and if it went straight up, I'd like that too. So I'll welcome the chance to get longer. I think Bitcoin runs. Now, no one knows anything for 100% sure about Bitcoin. Why? It hasn't been around all that long to repeat characteristics over and over again enough times for us to write definite rules. But my work, and I've been able to call it correctly the first time, my work shows me that Bitcoin runs in 5-year cycles. And the last cycle ended about April of 2021. We have to like 2025, 2026 for the next major cycle. And I will buy cost average if I get my opportunity on the way down, Ethereum and Bitcoin and maybe some others, and then just put them away like I did last time, and we'll do our 5-year countdown on the board. And 5 years from now, you'll go, Oscar, how did you know? Just like you did last time. So we'll see what happens. All right, traders. So double tops in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I will show you the chart right now. OMNI will take a one-day reprieve after what I show you. That means Monday night, Tuesday, no trading. And I'll show you why Bitcoin, if it goes up, hallelujah, but that's not what the charts say. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, double tops and the Dow Jones. One of our rules is this. When you see a double top, you sell a double top. This happens to be a weekly chart of the Dow Jones. So every one of these bars, yellow, whether they're red or green, every one of these bars is a 1 week action bar. So Monday to Friday, long-term chart. Look at the top here, the double top, and look what happens. Top here, the double top test, and down it goes. Top here, double top, down it goes. Top here, double top, down it goes. What's going to happen here? We have a top and a double top, and we are at it right now. Now it's a weekly, so we could go a little higher and go into that double top. When this settles as a weekly bar, then we know for sure. However, let's go to the daily, same chart. Now it's the Dow Jones Industrial Average daily bar. Look where we are. We are just about there. See that red mark I just put in? That completes the green bar that would have to hit to call that double top reached. I say let's not do anything because of that. Unless you just want to outright sell a double top, go for it. Barring that, I'm taking a one-day reprieve. Now, NASDAQ has been fantastic, and there's no reason why you wouldn't want to buy NASDAQ for day trading except for last double top. This is what happened. Oof. Now we have top, double top. I don't know, is this coming next? Another test of this trend line? Very possibly. So, daily, there's a double top in NASDAQ being tested. There's a double top in the Dow Jones Industrial Average on the weekly and the daily being tested. Then you've got the transportation average, usually deemed the leader of U.S. indices, except for it's a laggard leader, if you will. The leading effect is lagging. It does lead, but by the time the other markets find out, it's usually well after something has happened. That's just the way it works. Now, transportation average has been in this wonderful channel for a long time, and it finally broke out. Right here, it got under the channel, which it doesn't usually do, and it started moving this way. Well, have you noticed that now it's creating a whole new channel? Look at this. So you've got a whole new channel here. You just fell from the top of the channel after testing my OMNI average, top of the channel. It's come down a little bit. I say I am taking at least one day off right here. Let these markets speak to us before we do anything, because every time we hit the top of this, we start a down move. And we just hit the top of it here. Just like when we would hit the top of this, the down move would start, so that usually happens when you hit the top of the channel. We just finished that, and we've been down for a couple of days. So, I say give it a one-day reprieve, and we'll look at this again on Tuesday night and see where we stand. And then we have Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Traders, there's a lot on this chart because I've been using it with you in my videos for a long time now. Same chart with everything on it. It just moves forward, so we add more. But look through everything on here to this average. This average has been a monster holder of Bitcoin for a long time. It goes back so far you can't even see it on the chart. It just keeps going. And finally here you break it for the first time in a long time. Get under it, can't get above it, and a big spill-off takes place, right? Well, since then, tried to get over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, and then a drop. Tried to get over it again here, 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 and here. 5 times. A drop should ensue next. The interesting thing over here is we got above this average with a triple bottom. And it stayed above. Then we got below the average with a triple bottom. Interesting, right? So right now you have to look for some downside. That doesn't mean it goes straight down. You don't just jump in and sell Bitcoin. We like to sell a rally first and then expect it to come down. We like to trade like this. Market opens, it does what it's going to do. While it goes up, 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 we do nothing. It hits a particular OMNI point, we sell, then expect some downside. That's how I would handle Bitcoin. Traders, join me in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck trading on Tuesday.